So I hope you all are enjoying my herb section where I'm talking about various herbs. And today I'm going to talk about burdock, BURDOCK, burdock root. And burdock root works beautifully. As I said, I've been making notes, and burdock works beautifully when you want to ward off negative energy. And it works beautifully in a protection mojo bag. I want to show you all how the burdock looks. I hope I'm able to show you all. Right, let's just see. This is how it looks. These are tiny pieces. If you see here, these are just tiny pieces of the burdock root. Okay, and they work beautifully when it comes to removing negative energies and for protection. Basically, this is how I sell packets for my clients, so I've taken it from that. So also for uncrossing. When I say uncrossing, it is more like coming out of something which has been done, and mainly I work with this for uncrossing on healing, for health issues, for also it revives the sexual drive in a person mainly. I remember I had given this to someone to use in candles where the relationship was lacking sexual drive, and it had actually worked beautifully for them. And this also will keep you away from unnecessary events, unnecessary bad luck, and bosses who harm you, employees who might harm you, colleagues who might harm you. It also, this is one of my ingredient which I use when I do a return to sender ritual for my clients, or when I also work on countering any type of magic. When I say countering any type of magic, is basically cutting the magic which comes towards me and letting it not harm me in any way. This also works in increasing courage to deal in the situation. I remember a couple of years back, I used to burn this in my charcoal. Not couple of years back, actually, I think many years back, when sometimes I used to just give up on life and there was no courage in me to face things or to handle things. So in charcoal, I used to put a pinch of this and I used to burn this. So, and I used to see beautiful changes coming in me. I started becoming more stronger. Okay, this belongs to the thistle family. I don't know how many of you have heard about milk thistle, because thistle family related roots or herbs work with protection, works with cleansing, works with purification and all that stuff. Okay, now sometimes we all have repeated patterns in life which are very harmful. Like people end up drinking, they come out of drinking pattern, they again go back to drinking. People harming themselves. So that negative patterns, that blends, this allows to come out of that blends. Now you can burn it in the diffuser and keep it in the room where the person, not diffuser, sorry, the charcoal, and keep it in the room where the person stays who has this harmful repeated patterns. Or what you can do is, you can take a skull candle, you can talk to that person as if you're talking to the person, you talk to the skull, and you will guide them on coming out of that negative pattern, and you will apply whatever is the oil you feel guided to, and you will powder this little in a mortar and pestle, and then you will sprinkle on the skull, on the head part, because the brain should not attract ending up doing the same patterns again and again. So for that also it can be used. And in those days, actually, burdock leaves were used the same way that we use bay leaves now. So what they used to do, they used to write the wish of the burdock leaf, burn it, and throw it in the universe, or discard it in the air, so that what happens is it reaches the universe and our wishes gets manifested. So these are few of the ways a burdock is used. So now coming to spells related to burdock, I want to give you all a simple burdock protection spell, because protection spell is something which we all need. Maybe a protection mojo bag, I would say. You can take a black color mojo bag, add burdock in that, add black tourmaline. Black tourmaline is something which is the best for protection. You can even take any other crystals that you feel resonated to. Like for example, if you take me, I would go with selenite and black agate. I would prefer selenite and black agate other than a black tourmaline. So yes, I would also love to add a piece of hematite to it for protection. So you can do that also. Then what you will do is, in a piece of parchment paper, you will write, I for example, if I'm doing it for me, I'll say, I, Pinky Punjabi, am protected from any negativity, any harm, any untoward incidents in my life. Okay, and on all the four corners, I will apply the protection oil. Now, I don't have protection oil. As I always say, you can always pick up from me. But I don't want to invest. You can use normal essential oil, basil oil, or rosemary oil. BASIL basil, which is a tulsi ka oil, and rosemary oil. Now, inside this, what you will do is you can add a little bit of nettle if you feel guided to. Nettle is again NETTLE, it's another herb. You can also add a pinch of sulfur if you want. You can also do one thing, take a handful of rock salt, mix it with charcoal powder and put it in this pouch. It works as a black salt for you all. So these things you can add into it, and then you can carry it with you wherever you go, and intend it. Now every night just keep it on your head and intend that I am protected from any harm, any negative energies, any untoward incidents in my life, and then keep it on your bedside, and next day also you can carry it with you. Basically carry it with you. Now I cannot carry it because many people tell me, Pinky ji, I cannot carry it with me because in my office they check, there's a security scanning happening. Then keep it at your home. Mornings when you leave, keep it in your head and say that, and let it be there, and then you can go for your daily work. I want to share a small powder here which is for removing negativity. How do you use this powder? You make this powder, and then you take a cauldron, or you take a small bowl, you burn camphor in it, and then you sprinkle this powder and show it around the whole house. Especially the corners of the house have to be shown. You start from the entrance, okay, and then you show each and every room ending in the back of the house. That is how we do it. Now what all we will need for this, you will take burdock, you will crush it basically. You can use dry basil, you can use dry rosemary, you can use dry lavender ones. Now again, if you feel it is too much of happening, too much of things, those who have my protection powder can use little bit of protection powder and the crushed burdock. You don't have protection powder, you just have the burdock. Take little bit of charcoal, crush it. Mix this burdock in that nicely. Maybe for 1 teaspoon of charcoal, use 1 teaspoon of crushed burdock. Take a plate where you keep the camphor, or take your cauldron, put the camphor. I don't have, I have fresh basil leaves. I have tulsi ka pata. Maybe you can dry the tulsi ka pata and you can use it. Those who grow lemongrass in their house can actually use lemongrass leaves. They can dry it a little bit in the sun, because I just remembered, because I have a lemongrass in my home. So you can even take that lemongrass, dry it, crush it in your hand, add it with this burdock, add it with the charcoal powder, and you can show this book. The negativity will just go from your home. And I want to end with one more ritual here, basically for uncrossing. So what you will do, you will take a white candle. Now if I am a male member, I will take a white male candle. If I am a female, I will take a white female candle. Some people say figurine candles we cannot afford to buy. Then what you can do is, you can pick up a plain candle, but take little thick. Don't take this thin simple pencil candles. Take a little thicker candle. Okay, what you will do is, in a small dish you will take bay leaves. Okay, you will crush them. You will add to these bay leaves little bit of cinnamon powder. So I repeat, bay leaves crushed, cinnamon powder, and burdock. You will crush these three and you will mix it and keep. Now what you will do is, on the you will take 3 bay leaves and keep on the plate also. 1, 2, and 3. More like a 3 pet, like this is 2 and 1 will be this side. So more like a 3 side ka thing. You will keep these 3 bay leaves. On top of that, before you keep this the white candle, what I do, I use my uncrossing oil. Now you don't have the uncrossing oil, what you can do is pick up carnation oil. CARNATION. Pick up the carnation oil from the Amazon. Apply the carnation oil. You have made a powder of bay leaf, cinnamon powder, and the burdock. Generously apply on the candle. Keep it on top of the the bay leaf, and light the candle. Set the intention that any sort of negativity goes off from me and the uncrossing is done. Okay, do this on every Sunday for 11 Sundays, and you will see a lot of good changes coming in your life. So I hope you all enjoyed this video also. So I shall come back more and more with more herbs. As I have always said, if you feel the need of bringing any particular herb, don't hesitate, let me know. I would love to bring that herb for you all in detail. And do share and subscribe the channel, like the video, share it with your friends so that they can also try all this and come out of all the negativity that is actually troubling them, and because of which they have a lot of obstacles in their life. Because when you help others in removing their obstacles, automatically the divine and the universe removes your obstacles from life. So have a blessed day, have a great day, and thank you all for watching my videos. I am ever grateful to you all that you keep watching my videos and you keep encouraging me in bringing more and more videos. Thank you and good luck.